Hey everybody, it's Jason Hennessey, and today we're talking about Honest SEO, where we're reviewing the chapters of the book so you can get a little sneak peek at what you may learn if you pick up a copy, which is available on Amazon. We'll include the link here. So chapter 3 talks about the three main components of SEO. The way in which I like to break SEO down, it's in terms of the integrity of the website, so all the technical elements of the site, right, which basically gives Google the opportunity to actually have a clean crawl of the site. The second thing is the relevancy, right, publishing content about, things that actually satisfy the intent of somebody doing a search. And then the third thing is the popularity of the website, and that's building strong backlinks, which basically makes your pages rank higher in the search engine result pages. And so I like to write the book the way in which I like to read it. So there's a lot of illustrations, right? So if you have all three of those, right, you're hitting the target there. Talks about the, that there's some things that are happening behind the scenes with the little alligator there. They have to be aware of, even if you are doing those three things correctly. Talks about Google core updates and some of the things that you should be aware of, as you are kind of going through and building out your SEO strategy. So that's chapter 3. And then chapter 4 really starts to get into, let's build out the overall web strategy now. And so it goes into specific detail about, some of the things that you want to avoid, right? You can't treat SEO like pay-per-click, where you just kind of experiment with it for a month and think that you're going to get benefit. It's definitely not like that. It's not a one and done strategy where you just hire a web developer and they say that they did SEO when they built your website. That's not SEO. Talks about like content, of actually planning out your actual content strategy with pillar pages and basically doing content clustering, which if this all sounds like foreign to you, you'll definitely learn a lot more about this as you read the book. And it gets into how to study your competitors, like how to reverse engineer some of the strategies that they're leveraging that are, allowing them to outrank you. So, baseline metrics. So again, I think that you'll get a lot of value. I spent a lot of time writing this book. I try to condense 20 years of me doing SEO into this. And so if this sounds interesting to you, pick it up on Amazon. We'll include a link below.